Today we're here with David Weekley Homes, and I'm going to show you what it takes to build your dream home on your own lot, all the steps, the financing, and the floor plans that they offer. Stick around, you don't want to miss this one. Step number one, we need to find your home site. You may already own your land, but if you don't, that's where I come in and help you find your ideal lot in your desired location and price point. We need to keep in mind the topography because we need to make sure that you can build on that specific lot. So the first thing is to find your lot and buy it. You're gonna finance your lot. It's usually a 20% down payment. I can recommend you a few lenders to help you finance and buy your lot and secure your lot before we go to the next step. As you close on your lot, we need to identify your floor plan to make sure that it will fit on your land, which in most cases it will, because a lot of these lots are gonna be over half an acre, 1 acre. Whenever people are buying these lots, they want land. So that wouldn't be an issue, but we need to start working on selecting your plan. One thing to keep in mind when you're selecting the floor plan is the square footage, whether you want a single-story home or a two-story home, whether you want to add a pool, a casita. I'm gonna be adding a link on the description so that way you can start looking at the different floor plans specifically from this builder. Now that you've seen the floor plans, we need to start talking about the cost. How much is it gonna cost to build that specific floor plan with your selections, with your colors, kitchen, cabinets, you name it. We need to make a list of what you want in your house to determine the final cost. Step number 4, we're gonna look at your financing. We're gonna do a construction loan. So the way that works is that they give you draws depending on where they are on the building process. The first draw is gonna be to pay off your land. That way you don't have another loan to pay. That will be taken care of by the construction loan. And the next draws will be the foundation, the framing, the sheetrock, and so on until you finish your house. So now that you have your loan ready, your land, your floor plan, we need to personalize your home. And that's where you will go to the design center to make your final selections on the colors, selections, light fixtures, etc. You will meet with a designer and they will help you find the interior that you need on your home. With the endless selections that they have, they will help you personalize your home to your liking. After that, you're gonna meet again with the builder to review everything on paper before they start building and getting permits to start the construction. And you're gonna meet throughout the build process to check on the progress. You're gonna meet 4 to 5 times to make sure that everything is the way that you want it. During the build process, this builder has multiple checkpoints with the city and with inspectors. I would also recommend to hire your own third-party inspector to make sure that everything is good with the framing. Pre-drywall inspection, that's one that I recommend, so that way they can check everything before they place the drywall. And after that, after the house is completed, I recommend a full inspection on everything so that we can give that inspection report to the builder and make sure that they cover everything that they may have found in that inspection report. It definitely looks more complicated than it is, but we can actually guide you every step of the way, whether it's the financing, the floor plan, finding your lot. We're here to guide you every step of the way to make it easier for you and give you a great experience building your new home. As you can see, this builder has a lot of floor plans, beautiful layouts. You can add the pools, and actually right now they have an offer. They have a special that any plan that you find over $500,000, they will include a beautiful casita that we will see here in a few seconds. That is a great deal. A lot of people like this feature because it could serve as an Airbnb. It could be a guest house for your mother-in-law or any guest that you may have in your house. It is a great addition and it looks really, really nice. So take a look. This is the casita here. It is just a 1-bedroom, but it has its own kitchen, full bathroom, closet, you name it. It looks very spacious, even though it's just a casita. Take a look and let me know what you think in the comments below. And before I let you go, I want to remind you that I can help you find your dream home, your lot. If you're looking for something existing, already built, let me know as well. We can find really good deals especially now that we're more in a buyer's market. There are more options for you. So let me know in the comments below what you think about the process. And once again, thank you for watching. My name is Victor Solar, your Texas Realtor. I'm here to help you in all your real estate needs. Have a blessed one. Talk to you soon.